In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot outbound calling. This guide will walk you through each step, making it easy to use HubSpot's calling features effectively. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to access your HubSpot settings. Go to your HubSpot account. Look toward the top navigation bar and find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage all of your account settings. Once you're in the settings page, you'll need to navigate to the calling section. You'll find this by looking at the left sidebar. Under either Objects or Call Setup, you'll find the option labeled Calling. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage everything related to making calls from HubSpot. Next, it's time to choose your calling provider. If you prefer to use HubSpot's built-in VoIP service, which many find convenient, you can add your phone number right there. Just follow the prompts to verify it. Alternatively, if you already have a favorite external service like AirCall or PhoneBurner, HubSpot makes it easy to connect these as integrations. Whichever option you choose, it's designed to suit your needs and preferences. If you're going with HubSpot's VoIP service, verifying your phone number is a crucial step. You'll be prompted to confirm your number, and you can do this by receiving an SMS or a phone call with a code. It's a simple process to ensure that your number is ready for making calls through HubSpot. Now that your phone number is set up, it's essential to configure your recording settings, especially if you plan to record your calls. Ensure call recording is turned on if that suits your needs. Additionally, if necessary, set up recording consent messages, which is a good practice to maintain transparency and compliance. If you're using a paid seat, another step is to assign users to the calling line. This can help in managing who can make calls on behalf of your organization and ensure that the right people have access to this valuable tool. Once you've assigned users, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. HubSpot will guide you through any remaining steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's move on to how HubSpot calling actually works. When you're ready to initiate a call, you have a couple of options. You can do this directly from a contact record by clicking the call button, or by selecting the call option from the contacts page. Alternatively, use HubSpot's calling interface for a slightly different but equally efficient experience. During the call, HubSpot offers features to enhance your productivity. You can take notes, add call outcomes, and even schedule follow-up tasks right then and there. If recording is enabled, HubSpot uses Twilio to record and store your calls, which can be a great feature for reviewing later. After your call is finished, save it to the contacts record. This will help keep all your interactions well documented. If your calls were recorded, you can review the recordings and any available transcripts for further insight or to share with your team. With this setup and these features, you're well on your way to making the most of HubSpot's calling capabilities. Good luck and happy calling!